Hi everyone, it's Phil here. Now welcome to my low impact intermediate interval training session. Now this workout is going to bridge the gap between my beginner workout and advanced workout. So we're going to do 10 different exercises for 40 seconds of each exercise with a 20-second break between exercises. Now the first 5 exercises are going to be nice and gentle to get the whole body moving. And then the last 5 exercises, we're going to really ramp up the intensity. Now, the thing you need to be aware of, a couple of the last exercises only use the upper body. So you just be pumping the arms as hard and fast as you can. Now, these are really brutal and intense exercises, but only if you give your maximum effort. So really power through your arms and try the best you possibly can. So follow along with me right now. Low impact jumping jacks. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1. Step and punches. Step, step, punch, punch. Step, step, punch up. Step, step, punch, punch. Step, step, up, up. So breathe out each time. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1, 3-step clap. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1. Walking high knees, so just get the legs up and arms working at the same time. So nice and high. Increase the speed if you can. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1, 3 steps to knee touch. So walking and touch. If you find that too easy or you want to step it up a little bit, we can always go a little bit faster and gently jump side to side. Otherwise, keep walking and touch. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. Ten seconds to go. Three, two, one, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1. High knee chops, starting with the arms up in the air. Bring it down to your knee. 5 on one side, 5 on the other side. Fast as you can. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. Ten seconds to go. Three, two, one, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1. The runner, you can do this seated or standing. Pump your arms as fast as you can, like you're sprinting, fast speed. Keep going, guys, really work the heart rate up. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. Ten seconds to go. Three, two, one, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1. All right, punch, punch to high knee. So punch, punch, high knee, punch, punch, high knee. Let's go. Breathe out each time. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. Ten seconds to go. Three, two, one, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1. The skier. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. Ten seconds to go. Three, two, one, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1. So punches. Nice full range of motion. As fast as you can. Slight bend in the knees. So here. Hard and fast. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. Ten seconds to go. Three, 2, 1, and stop. So there you have it. That's a quick fire 10-minute interval training workout. Now, if you have more time on your hands, I recommend you turn this into a 20 or 30-minute interval training workout. So to do so, if you want to do a 20-minute workout, go back to the start and repeat this workout one more time. However, if you want a 30-minute workout, go back to the start of this video and do it 2 more times. Now, if you found this workout either too easy for you or too hard for you, I provided a link in the description, which will take you back to my website where you'll find more interval training workouts. So you'll find beginner, intermediate, and advanced workouts. So this will allow you to exercise at a level that is suitable to your current fitness levels. It will also allow you to progress through the difficulty levels as your fitness levels improve. So go and check it out right now. If you like this video and you want more, you know what to do. Hit that notification bell, subscribe, and like, and you're gonna get a whole lot more. However, if you want to take away all of the guesswork and have everything mapped out for you, come to philhartshorn.com, where you'll find my exercise programs, including at-home programs or gym programs, meal plans, including 4-week healthy eating meal plans, recipe books with over 380 healthy eating recipes, and a whole lot more. You'll have everything you need to achieve your health and fitness goals. So thank you for watching and see you next time.